of Miss Drag Week herself, Alex Taylor. This morning, a bit rough, spit and a sputter and a coast for lap 1.
Yeah, so on our first pass out, a little bit of an issue, but it's only because we basically broke a shaft in second gear in driveline, so got that fixed, and got back out, made another pass, and we ran a nice number, 7:05 at 2:01, so I'm happy with that.
She's happy with that, but we all have to move on to Lucas Oil Raceway Park there in Indianapolis. So what does this conversion look like, and how long does it take that's in process right now?
So if I don't get distracted, it's actually not too bad, but I usually run around in circles. It's pretty simple for compared to what you think. So in the front, we just switch over belts. So we run a mechanical pump for race. So we take the belt off, flip a switch and turn the electric pump on for street, switch the tune to a street tune, and then we change tires. That's basically it.
So I noticed in the center console, if you can call it that, the Visine, did the eyes get dry on the way?
No, but I put sunscreen on, and I do it every time, and it always ends up getting my eyes, and then I cry for half the day, and people think I'm crying because I was slow, and I'm like, no, I'm just crying because I have sunscreen in my eyes. So.
Sunscreen in the eyes, yes, that definitely does hurt. Well, folks, keep an eye on Miss Taylor. I'm Lee Kraft, the Monday Morning Racer in the pits for Hot Rod Drag Week.
Thank you.